Hey guys, it's Matt Suddarth here with DTO Customs to bring you our pick of the week with this incredible custom 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country. We are up here at our custom shop where we've just wrapped up this beauty, which comes in this rare slate gray metallic color. Check it out. Let's jump into it, friends. This truck has just 18,000 original miles and is one special DTO Customs unique build. First, it has a monster 8-inch BDS suspension lift with Fox shocks, making room for the 22-inch Soda polished aluminum wheels wrapped in 35-inch Nitto Rid Grappler tires. As a high country Silverado, this truck comes loaded with LED projector headlights with the chrome bezel along with the LED running lights. It has factory fog lights, front and rear parking sensors, 6-inch chrome running boards, and this premium spray-in bed liner. Now, as a high country, this truck really shines on the inside. It has brown premium leather seats with front heated and cooled options, navigation, center console wireless charging, factory tow brake assist, Bose premium sound system, and a full power moonroof. This truck also comes with all the premium safety features, which include the driver alert package, forward collision alert, high beam assist, rear backup camera, and much more. Come check this truck out today to see it for yourself, and be sure to follow DTO Customs on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates right on your newsfeed. DTO Customs, the region's best selection of custom Jeeps and trucks. Get to know DTO.